So back in the summer of 2019, after I bought my jet ski, I wanted some sunglasses that A, were decent, but B, I wasn't going to be super upset if they ended up at the bottom of the Chesapeake Bay somewhere. So I kind of got, I don't know if you want to say suckered in, but I saw them on Facebook, Shady Rays. And so I said, you know what, I'm going to give them a shot. A buddy of mine bought some, he liked them, so I bought some. Now, again, that was in probably July of 2019. It is now March 2021. And a few months ago, I just turned in a warranty claim on the pair that I bought because you can see the coating is starting to peel away from the edges of the lenses. So it was pretty easy to get them to send me the new one. But when I got it, I noticed one thing right off the bat. Let me turn them this way, side by side here. You can see the one on the left has a blue tint and the one on the right is kind of a gray tint. This one gives me a lot truer colors than this one does, and this one is a lot lighter tint than this one, even though they're supposed to be exactly the same. That was one difference I didn't like. And the second thing I quickly discovered I didn't like is on this new pair, it's going to be, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see it or not. You're not going to be able to see it. Let me see if I can show it to you this way. You're not going to be able to see. Oh, there it was right there. If you look on the right lens, the upper end of the nose piece, what looks like it's just a reflection. Let me see if I can point at it right up in here. That is not a reflection. That is actually where the coating to the lens does not go all the way to the frame. So when I'm wearing them, it's like I have a starburst coming in at the top of my nose. That's very noticeable. And then the other thing that I noticed is a completely different feel. Again, these are 2019, these are 2021s. Yeah, these weigh right in at 1 ounce. I think it might be a fraction over 1 ounce, but we'll just say 1 ounce. And the new ones they sent me, 0.8 ounces. And you can definitely feel the difference. This frame feels much sturdier. Almost kind of has a coating on it, I can't explain. And this just feels a lot lighter, a lot cheaper, and everything. So, with that said, to me, I mean, I could go back and file another work craftsmanship or manufacturer defect on this pair because the coating does not go all the way to to the frame, and I have like that starburst. But with just seeing the quality just go downhill, I don't know that I'm going to bother anymore. I'm not sure I actually trust these coatings and the protection that they provide. So that's my experience with Shady Rays. I think I'm done with them. I think their products are just going downhill. If they weren't already there, I don't know. But at this point, I am not impressed with them.